Yeah. What's up? Nigga. Yeah, it's me. Yeah. I'm back, baby. Cutter.
Ottoman couch, how handsome your furniture, lovely and now, but dressed for a funeral, begging you to sit for a fortune on the wall, to hang in the dark of some parliamentary hall.
I stay home alive, no TV, just thoughts and a heap of good weed. Same jeans, same old Converse, babe tees and the Wally, so works. I'm cool, some niggas mad at it. Look it in from the outside, fantastic. Can't keep the negative alive, baby, on my dick. If Kid Cudi died, don't cry, hater. I forgive, now go and get my album and get off my dick. I smile and I'm pleasant, the weed is the essence. But if I'm in the club, we could take shit up. I'm talking about shots, ridiculous amounts. That's if you're gonna raise, this shit we all about. Take another shot or your soft dream on campaign. I'm the mother loving boss. Here to suck my balls, 2 times. I never say goodbye, cause I'm on mine. All my life, wanna do something major. Now every little thing I do might make it in the paper. Cudi found young nigga popo. Mad drunk in the street, no photo. Hating motherfuckers, don't know, yo. I guess this was the life I chose. Wanna get up in my mind. Wanna know about me and Amanda Bynes. Wanna know really, really, really who I'm dating. Is she civilian or super duper famous? Is she African American, Caucasian, or Asian? Or maybe Spanish? It don't matter, my nigga, I love them all as long as she don't need stupid amounts of makeup to make up the self-esteem. Selfish dreams to reflect the blessing. I am practicing on a cloud.
Hi. Okay, so real quick, while I'm editing, if you do not take off your header during this installation, good luck. We tried to do it without and it did not work. Take the header off. I kid you not, you will waste hours and hours trying to do this. Okay, so let's take it for a quick drive and I will kind of show you a little bit of how it feels. Now, I actually did a clutch bypass. It's a little bracket that you put on the clutch switch, and what that allows you to do is actually start the car without pushing in the clutch. So, where are the keys? Shit. So being able to start the car without using the clutch makes it run a little bit healthier. So all you do, make sure that's in neutral every single time though now. But yeah, it's nice. It's really nice not having to push the clutch in, honestly. Also, don't judge my sick sunglasses, but I have sunglasses from my orthodontist because don't really have a lot of money. And you know what? They made my teeth nice and straight, so. So how does this compare against stock? Well, to be completely honest, it feels a little bit lighter, like a tiny bit lighter. So it's slightly lighter, and the actual engagement point, at least for mine, is a little bit lower than stock. So, like as soon as you get off the ground, you have, I don't know, maybe like an inch, and then it engages. But it's actually like really forgiving, like very forgiving. I mean, this honestly, this could pass as a stock clutch easily. Now it is important to note again that I do have a lightweight flywheel with this setup. So it's a 10.7 pound flywheel. I think stock is like 17 or something like that. I don't know. Somewhere it's heavy. It's heavier than this. So what that allows you to do is actually kind of like the revs are a little bit freer. Like when you shift into gears, the revs drop a little bit quicker, which allows you to shift quicker, which is nice. Also, rev matching, you don't have to give it as much throttle input. It's it's nice, honestly. Now, typically, you would have to break a clutch in. Now, I bought mine used, so I technically don't really have to break it in. I'm just gonna give it like a slight little blip, just to see. It kind of felt quicker. Yo! Alright, that was the first full throttle. This feels way quicker. What the hell? No way! Yo! Dude! That feels like a good bit quicker. Wow! That's actually pretty nuts. I honestly, maybe this is me just thinking that something is there. We installed a part. Maybe, oh yeah, I think it's faster. I think this is actually way faster than what it was. It feels like it just builds so much quicker. It's interesting. I like it. Dude, it's definitely faster. 100%. There's no doubt about it at all. Like, that's an actual difference. I kid you not.
I knew you'd understand. Well, thanks for the start. I'm out of here.
Ooh, I've never felt such a strange combination of pity and indigestion.